So on the way to the mall, yes, this is what I encountered. A house decorated like this. I've never seen so many decorations on a house before. It's unbelievable. They line the sidewalk.
There's some Paw Patrol people from Paw Patrol.
I know, right, Lucas? I have my buddy Lucas with me. They have a sign here by the mailbox that says, "Enter if you dare." It is amazing. I cannot begin to tell you how many decorations are on this house. It's crazy house. Did you ever see anything like it? I'm panning around the side of their house. Look at this. All these blow up, oh my God, look at, beware ghost crossing. This one says, the frightening fuel service. Woo, there's skeletons there on a boat. Old farm estates. Ooh, look at all these pumpkins. Lots of creepy pumpkins. Woohoo, and here's a kid over there looking at them. Oh, there's a pirate.
And a creepy clown.
Uh-oh, I think Lucas just said he found a creepy clown. There it is. Let's zoom in on creepy.
Look at that.
Creepy clown. What is this? Look at the cat.
Oh, girl, show them the creepy clown.
Oh, he found a bunch of creepy clowns. What is that thing with the big red hands, Lucas?
That's another kind of Darth Vader.
Oh, what's this? Oh my gosh, look at the spider. I thought Lucas would have fun, but I think he's getting a little creeped out. Just hold on to me. What do you mean? You're staying over there? This is all pretend stuff. It's for fun. No. I can't believe it. Let's check this out. Look at this spider over here. Oh, this is what you don't like. He doesn't want to come over here. He found these creepy clowns. I don't blame him. This says free candy. Look at that creepy witch over there. Let's go around. Come over here, Lucas. I'm going away from the clowns. Come here. There's a big hot air balloon. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Wow. There's more bats. Oh, look at that. Is that Frankenstein? The Frankenstein monster?
Yeah.
Oh.
Definitely Frankenstein.
Oh, look at this. Look behind you. Over here. It's all the ghosts in a big circle with the skeleton heads. You see in the middle, Lucas? I think the fire comes out of there at night. This is probably all lit up at night. Wow. Let's walk over here. Maybe there won't be any more creepy clowns over here. You hope not? Let's see. This is amazing. There's Lucas over there.
Doing the floss with the pumpkin.
He's doing the floss with the pumpkin. Amazing. Look, this is just crazy.
Everything is actual real.
Whoa. All right, let's go around the other way, Lucas.
Let's see the good guys.
I wish the people were here that lived in this house so I could talk to them. Tell them what a great job they did. Look at their front door. Whoa, look at that big spider up there on their front door. This definitely has to win a contest, right, Lucas? For the best Halloween decorations. Look at all the...
Another creepy clown.
Oh, another creepy clown? Look at this. Look at the garage doors. Wow. Wait, hold on. Don't... Lucas is getting brave now. Oh, look how little you look next to that giant pumpkin.
It's so hot.
He feels hot? Yeah. Oh. He's got a very big mouth, doesn't he?
My whole head can
Oh, there's the creepy clown. This says Happy Halloween. I think this is supposed to be Frankenstein monster. There's Lucas by the dragon that has fire coming out of its mouth. Is that hot, Lucas?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's Lucas. He found a pumpkin. He's looking in his mouth to see what's in there.
Tastes good. His tongue tastes good.
His tongue tastes good.
Look at his teeth.
Look at these decorations. All right.
How do you see?
Wow. Oh, look what it says there. Look at what it says. It says, thank you all for asking what you could donate. They said they make 1,000 candy sacks. And they donate to the Wayne. You can make donations to the Wayne Animal Shelter. You can, oh, see, there's a box that says donations. You can put toys in there for kids in need.
Can I put my shoe in there?
Lucas, can you put your shoe in there, silly? Will be used for families in need.
Yay!
During the Christmas season. And they said, we hope you enjoy our Halloween and Christmas displays. Lucas, that means they're going to have a display like this up for Christmas. We'll have to come back and see that one, right?
Let me open this
And
box.
that box says donations. Well, we didn't expect to come here today.
I thought it said don't open
No, it says donations. So we're going to come back another day
I
so
thought
we can
it said
put something.
don't open it because I thought there was going to be something that pops up. You know those thingies that you have to put it in there and then when someone opens it,
Oh
pops
yeah,
up?
I know. That's so funny. Well, I think that. What do you think? I think that we should buy a couple of toys and bring them back here and leave them
I'll
here.
sell all mine. I have 1,000.
Oh,
1,000.
maybe you want to give some of your toys that you don't use anymore to the kids that don't have toys. What do you think about
I
that?
don't use any of my toys.
Oh yes, you.
I play Fortnite.
Oh Lord. Well then we're gonna go through your toys and bring a couple over here, right? Look at these witches. They slammed into the garage doors. Oh, look at this creepy spider.
Grandma,
There he is up there. Wow. Oh, look, Lucas. The skeleton. I don't know what he's riding. What do you think?
he's riding one of those horse things.
Oh, like a stagecoach,
Yeah,
right?
they used in the 1960s.
Oh, look at this one. This is the creepiest. I don't even like this clown. Oh my goodness. This, I have to admit, is very creepy. Oh, look, Lucas. There's feet on the ground. Look. Look at all the feet. Hey, there's that clown. Look at him. He's underground.
Oh, look at Sky from Paw Patrol.
Oh my God. Oh, I'm heading down that way. There's just too much to film. What's this up here?
Look,
What, Lucas?
Sky from Paw Patrol.
Oh, we'll get over there in a minute. A friendly one, right?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
Grandma, here's the friendly one too.
Oh, that's you like that one? That's a scarecrow. Yeah, scarecrow. Friendly scarecrow. Can't even believe this. What's in there? Ghosts. Ghosts. And what's over here? Oh, more stuff. That one says trick or treat.
Carrots.
There's a mummy.
Carrots.
Look at the size of that cat. Look how high up it goes. Ooh, that's a cat. See it?
Look at his big butt.
Oh, Lucas.
Funny.
Look at this. Oh my
Look at
goodness.
his face.
There's a bat. Look at that bat way up there on the top of the.
Look at
Let me see his face. Ooh.
his face. I still got my little axe out.
That's going to really protect you.
Yeah.
Happy Halloween. Look at these. Oh my goodness. What's that? A hand coming out over here? Let's see. See over here? Oh, it's a pirate, I think, with his sword. See? Up top there. Hey? Where's the friendly ones now, Lucas?
Over there.
Let me go take a shot from back here. Lucas found some
Here's
Paw Patrol.
Zuma from Paw Patrol. Here's what's his name?
I don't remember. Chief? No.
Here's Chase.
Oh, Chief.
And here's Marshall.
Oh, Marshall. Alrighty.
I was thinking my brain wouldn't work.
I know. Look at that big spider. Woohoo!
Look at that.
This is so funny. Look at Jaws. Dun 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 dun. I think Jaws caught some. Jaws got somebody, right?
It was me.
Got you in there?
Yeah. Hey, let me go touch his foot.
Hey, no, no, no. Be nice.
Look at that creep.
Who did you find there, Lucas?
PJ Masks, the TV channel.
Oh, from the TV
Here's
channel.
another bun, but he's going down.
Look at all of these.
Do you want to see the Paw Patrol?
Okay, 1 minute.
Okay.
Oh boy, look at them. Wonder how many there is, Lucas.
Comment down below how many there are.
Lucas wants you to comment. What'd you say, Lucas?
Comment down below how many there's pop-up balloons.
Oh, okay.
And creepy stuff, thingy-bajingy.
Okay. Lucas, what's in there?
Rick sign.
Oh, which is in there?
Rick.
Oh,
I ripped your
flag
butt.
is here. Wow. Oh, there's Count Dracula up there. Hey, what kind of dance are these pumpkins doing?
Floss.
The what?
Oh, the best mates.
The best mates dance?
Yeah, this is best mates.
You look just like the pumpkin doing the best mates. What the heck is that behind you? A lady? Somebody? Oh, there's a skeleton on top. Oh, he's coming close to me now. Somebody's stuck in the well. Oh my goodness. This is just absolutely amazing. Oh, I see somebody friendly, Lucas. There's Snoopy. Hi, Snoopy. Hello. You're not afraid of Snoopy, are you? No. And who's this over here?
Who's this guy?
Oh, look. There's the cameraman and the Baking Diva under here. I see them. Let's go find them. I see them. I see them. Oh, look. There's the Baking Diva and the cameraman. All right, don't touch them because we don't want them to fall. You're in my way. You're standing in front of the Baking Diva. Ah, there you are. Right in front of the Baking Diva. Whoa, look at this guy. Woohoo! I can't even begin to imagine how much time these people must have put into buying and blowing up and putting out all these decorations. My goodness, if there was a contest to be held, they would win it. I'm going to keep walking around this way. Lucas is with me, so he is checking everything out carefully. He wants to make sure there's no creepy clowns, right, Lucas? Right? No creepy clowns. Look at this. This is the Salem helicopter. Oh my goodness. Oh, that one says, oh, look at this. This is the witch riding a motorcycle. Look up here, the Halloween fun. Oh, it says Halloween fun right this way. You mean there's more fun? What'd you find, Lucas?
Bloody Mary.
Bloody Mary. All right, let's go around the other way. Whoa, look at this big skeleton sitting in a chair. And just to show you how tall it is, look at Lucas standing there.
Uncle Jason could fit.
Oh, he's saying his Uncle Jason could be that tall. Uncle Jason is very tall, right?
He's taller than everybody.
I'm going to go see the creepy clowns again.
I'll come.
Who's going to come this time? Oh, good. You're being brave now, right?
It's a stupid clown.
That is. Yeah, go over there, shake hands with the clown. You're not that brave, right?
I'll go buy it.
You'll go buy it.
Bloody Mary. Free candy.
You know why they're saying that?
Yeah.
Free candy, why?
They want to trap you.
She says.
Saying that. Hey, you have free candy.
Look, it says crime scene. Look, Lucas, crime scene. Do not enter. Oh, I think Lucas found Sky from Paw Patrol over there. Oh, there he is.
This is Sky.
You like that one, right? It's friendly? Yeah. Oh, what is this over here? Let's see. Hold on. Stay here in the driveway. Oh my goodness gracious me. Oh, this is a vampire bat. Look at that. Ooh.
Mama, let me put my head in his hand.
Oh, he's getting you, Lucas! He's getting you! Oh, it's too funny. Oh no, look what I just saw, Lucas. over here.
I see them.
There's the witches. They're cooking up a brew.
Actual spider.
Oh yeah, there is. Let me get over there. I'm gonna just zoom in on that. I don't think that was planned, Lucas.
Real.
Oh my God, look at that. Lucas said, look.
Spider.
Look at that. Wait a minute. There's an actual real spider. You see it?
Do you see it?
Yeah, I see it. I don't think that was planned. There it is, crawling up the pumpkin. Ooh, who's that up there? Dracula. Dracula.
What's that?
Look at all the pumpkins over there.
Look at me as a
Woohoo!
pumpkin. Look at me as a pumpkin.
There's Lucas. Hey Lucas, are you glad Grandma took you to this house? Are you having fun? Kind of. As long as he stays away from the creepy
Fly off.
Oh look, it looks like the fire. The fire is starting to come on.
It should actually make that sound at night.
Lucas is being brave. He's going into the pumpkin house. You chickened out? Oh, he chickened out. He chickened out.
Oh, the Baking Diva stuff.
The pumpkins captured me! Help me, Lucas! Help me! I'm scared! I can't get out of here! The pumpkins have me! Oh, look it!
I found a caterpillar.
Lucas just said, "What is that?" And I said, "It's a caterpillar." But we can't see it now because
you see that red thing right there?
I see it,
That's
yeah.
called a caterpillar.
I haven't seen a caterpillar in a while. Perfect for our Halloween video, right? Look at that.
Prickly
Perfect for our Halloween video. A caterpillar. Oh, there it goes.
It's real. Nothing is fake.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, I see him now. There he is. There's a caterpillar we found. Perfect for our Halloween video. There he goes. Run, 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 little caterpillar. Run, 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 run. There he goes. I couldn't resist. I had to come back to this house at night to see how pretty it looks when all the lights are on. Wow, look at this. So different at night. I'm gonna walk around here to see if I can see a little bit more. It's unbelievable. Ooh, really looks like Halloween night. Look at this. I have to bring little Lucas back at night so he can see this. Ooh. Very nice. Come over here a little bit and see what some of this display looked like. It was all lit up. Wow, I'm just a kid at heart. What can I tell you? So beautiful. Let me get around there. Ooh, I hear a big pumpkin talking over there at the front of the house. I'm not going to walk all around, but just wanted to check it out. See how some of it looked at night. Ooh.